Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today we're going to show you how to automatically answer phone calls on your iPhone. It's a super useful feature, especially when you're busy. This is based on my personal experience, so let's get started. You can find any relevant links in the description below. First things first, we need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're there, scroll down until you find Accessibility, and tap on it. Okay, now scroll down a little further until you see Touch, and tap into that. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you find Call Audio Routing, and tap on that. Now tap on Auto Answer Calls. You'll see it's currently toggled off, so let's turn it on. Just tap the switch to enable it. Great. Now you'll see a new setting appear below. This lets you change the duration of time before your call is automatically answered. You can either tap the plus and minus buttons to adjust the time, or if you want a specific amount of seconds, tap directly on the box. Let's say we want it to answer after 5.5 seconds. Just tap on the box and type 5.5. Alright, we're done here. Now, simply exit the Settings app. The next time you receive a phone call, your iPhone will automatically answer it after the specified amount of seconds you selected. And that's it. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.